So there's two mental patients, one named John, one named Edna. In a mental facility. They're going through rehab, right? So one day John and Edna were walking down in the yard and they go by next to the pool. So John jumped in on the deep end of the pool and he stayed down there. So after he stayed down and he not come out, Edna jumped in and pull him out and bring him out. So the medical director heard about it and he called Edna and he said, I have good news for you and I have bad news. The good news is that you express some mental behavior. You see that John was struggling and you jump into the pool and you save him. The bad news is he didn't make it. After you save him, he hung himself in the bathroom. Edna said, no, he didn't hang himself. I hang him in the bathroom to dry.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel.
It's your local family with Rita and Krishna.
I hope everyone is having a good day.
Thank you in advance for watching and we hope that you enjoy this video.
Please subscribe to our channel
and share with everyone. Hello everybody. Season greetings from New Jersey here, right? From your local family to all of you guys watching in the USA, Guyana, Trinidad, Canada, and around the world. So today we're going to make Guyana's national dish, pepper pot. So we got some lamb meat here and I have all my ingredients spread out here. I know some people use beef, some people use pork. I'm not going to eat any of those. So I choose to use lamb, right? You can use any meat that you want, but I know the popular ones are beef and pork. So I gotta wash my meat. I got about 2 pounds. I'm not doing a lot, just a little bit. It's a special request. So take a look here at the meat and I have all my ingredients spread out here. I got some hot pepper. I got some fine thyme, green seasoning, ground garlic, paprika, black pepper, Mr. Dash, chicken bouillon, salt, and the main ingredients here, cashew, all the way from Pomeroon, Guyana, cassava cashew. All right, so let me wash this meat up and then we're gonna get going. All right, I also got my sugar here. I forget to show you that in the first round. I washed my meat up already, so I'm gonna go in with all these seasoning. I got the sugar here, the green seasoning and ground garlic. Here I got the Mr. Dash black pepper, paprika. Of course we got the salt. The seasoning have salt already, but I'm still gonna go in with a little bit to your liking, right, for taste. Here we got the chicken bouillon. It's not chicken though, right? Just going in with a little bit there. Flavor it up and you can put as much seasoning as you want. You know, you don't have to be the same seasoning. And this is a very popular meal in Guyana around Christmas. Ethan, you gonna try this?
The chicken?
Yes.
It's lamb.
No, it's
Lamb.
not.
And I'm gonna go in with a little bit of cashew here. I have to add more during the cooking, just a little bit here to pre-season it, right? Just to give it a nice texture here.
You could do it overnight too.
You can, yeah, some people prefer to do it like this and let it marinate overnight. But we don't got time for that right now. This thing, you know, it's gonna take some time to boil. You gotta boil it on slow heat. So everything will be marinated anyway because of the slow heat. So I got Ethan is gonna help me here. Put some meat tenderizer there, bye. Yeah, that's good. Okay, put some more. About that, say much more. Good. Good job. All right, so let's mix this up, and then I got the stove ready. See how it's looking there, Rita? Take a look there. And you can put as much cashew as you want to your liking, right? You can make it as black or as colorful as you want. So I got my karahi or my pot here. What do you call this, Rita? Pot or karahi?
Karahi.
All right. So I'm gonna go in here with the meat, the seasoned meat, and you're gonna put it on slow heat, right? I didn't steam this meat before, so I'm gonna let it go on slow heat to let it lose the moisture of the meat, and then I'll add more ingredients from it, right? So slow heat, slow to medium. So here I'm gonna put some fine thyme and of course the pepper, right?
Looks good.
Looks good. All right, smells good too, right? Already. All right, so we're gonna cover this on slow heat and let it boil, right? And you guys tell us how you prepare yours. This is our way, right, of preparing our pepper pot. I know people prepare theirs different, right? You tell us your way. So about 25 minutes into boiling. Let's take a look and see how it's looking here.
Ethan came down and he cleaned these broccoli and he put it in this big curry. Look.
Making some steamed broccoli too, right? So take a look here. We got all the moisture from it out, or we steam out the fat and everything there, right? So this is looking real good now. I'm gonna add some more cashew and some water for it to boil.
Ethan said he wanted to eat healthy.
All right, so I'm coming here. Let's see. I give it a little bit more cashew. Give it a decent amount because I'm gonna add water to it, and you know, this is a little bit stiffer meat, so it's gonna be boiling for another half an hour to 40 minutes. And I'm also gonna add some water, a decent amount of hot water here to make it boil. Alright, Rita, let's give it a little bit more. Let's give it a little bit more because you want the juice to eat your bread with this, right?
Yeah, because it have the sugar and it's gonna dry out real quick.
Alright, let's take a look there. Turn it up and see how the color is looking.
It's good.
Yeah, I think this color is good here, to my liking. And how is the pepper coming along there? Alright, so we're gonna cover this up back and let it boil. So yes, family, this here has been boiling for about an hour and a half plus the first 25 minutes that we dry it down a little bit, right? So about 2 hours. This is how it's looking there. Let me give it a turn and show you guys. It smells real good too. This is how it's looking there. I'm gonna turn this off now because the meat is pretty much boiled, but you can leave as much gravy or as less as you want. This gravy is gonna dry down if you let it sit for a little bit, so I'm gonna take it down as is right now.
Yeah, you want it to sit down a little bit. It tastes better like if you let the food sit down like for 30 minutes or so.
Right, and when the gravy cool down, it's gonna get a little bit thicker, and you want a little bit to eat with your bread anyway. So we're gonna turn this off, and I'm gonna do a taste test in a little bit. So yes, family, check out the pepper pot there. See how nice it's looking there? And I got a fresh loaf, a Guyana flat bread there. And this, they recommend you eat it with flat bread or a hard bread, right? But this bread is nice and soft and fluffy there. But it's gonna do the job.
I'm gonna show you how I baked it.
Yep. Alright, so I'm gonna do the taste test with this slice here. Alright guys, so let me go ahead and try out this pepper pot with bread there. I'm gonna go in and soak my bread in some gravy there. See, look at that. It's good. Carry a nice kick to it. The pepper is the perfect amount. And with the sugar and the cashew, give it a different twist to it. Rita, I'm gonna have to make the chicken version for you.
Sure.
Cincinnati lamb. And take a look at this lamb here. See how nice and how nice it comes out. And I'm gonna give it a bite now and show you guys how soft it is. Very flavorful and tasty.
And guys, the secret behind it, instead of cooking this thing for hours and hours, just add some meat tenderizer.
Meat tenderizer, and you're gonna finish it faster.
Yeah, that's what we did. We show you guys.
Yep, so this is good.
And it's well cooked.
Yep.
And we
Rita, if you don't hold me back, I probably took this whole loaf of bread here tonight.
Man, I want to hold your back, man. Eat, enjoy yourself. One life to live.
Hold me back, man. Hold me back before me to all of this.
Yeah, guys, and the way how we cook, we make it very simple that you can, you know.
Simple to follow. Anybody can follow it.
Yeah.
So if you haven't tried this before, give it a try. Let us know. And if you do make it, let us know how you make yours, right?
Yes, definitely.
All right.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Yes, family, welcome, welcome. It's this time of year again that we have the annual gingerbread
Competition.
house building competition. Starring to my right,
Ethan start his Jen, you look like you're gonna win today. Jen?
I take my time on it.
How does Christmas Day end? Anybody? How does Christmas Day end?
Merry Christmas.
How does Christmas Day end, Ethan?
Christmas ends on December 26th.
Christmas Day ends with the letter Y. Christmas and Day. How does it end? With the letter Y. D-A-Y.
What?
So look what we got here. We got Jenna on this side. How is Jenna looking there? Big round of applause to yourself there, Jenna.
Yay!
Mine took too much time to do the rest.
Alright, and on this side we got Mr. Ethan. Ethan, display your gingerbread house there, right?
Tell us about it.
Tell us about your process, your thought process.
It's a masterpiece.
What?
Who wins?
Alright, we'll let you guys,
Whoever laughed the hardest win.
we'll let you guys be the judge, right? You tell us who wins.
For me, you guys both are winners. I bought it at Costco. I don't feel like this year would give a lot of justice because the
It's too runny.
icing was too runny, and then when you put it in dry, and then all the candy keep on falling off.
I think we need it. We probably massage it too much.
Mine
I'm not sure
dry
if we massage
that
it too much. That's why it activate and it start to run. But it said give it a good massage. So I give it a good massage. I don't know if that's why it was running.
It took like 10 minutes.
No, but Ethan didn't massage his and it still run, right?
Yeah.
So I don't think it's the massage.
Mine
Anyway,
was
good job
still-
overall. Good job, guys. Give yourself a round of applause.
And tap yourself on your shoulder.
Mine was like
Tap yourself on your shoulder by and give
still
yourself a
not
round of
dry
applause.
after 10
No?
minutes.
Okay, good. Good job, good job. You're both winners in my book. Congratulations to both of
You
you.
win.
What did you win?
Behind
you
the
win the gingerbread
scenes.
house. You're gonna get to eat it. It's all yours. You can start digging.
Dinner first.
Okay, dinner first.